everybody! Welcome to another awesome episode of Liberty Creek. Just got done eating my hostage cupcakes this time, and I got it on my face, my wife's saying, and my teeth. Okay, so this is what we've done so far today. It's cold. Okay, let's take two. Oh, hello everybody. Welcome to another episode of Liberty Creek. Another exciting episode. In this episode, we're up here again. This weekend we finished the platform, the flooring. We had to add strips in the back and some of the bubble foil. Now we're going to go ahead and snap some chalk lines and finish nailing it all down. I got Jen with me, the supervisor, her dad, and no dog this week. She smelled, so I kept her home. So basically, we're waiting for our trusses. Next week I have vacation. I was planning to take the whole week and put up the truss and put up the roof and put up the walls, and that's not going to happen because Home Depot once again screwed me. So they told me I was going to get it when I ordered it, and then they say that it just got pushed back a week, so they'll be getting there. So we're going to find things to do. Okay, I got a special surprise for my viewers. You get to meet my dog. This is Justice. She was in a couple other videos. Justice. See the camera? She doesn't like cameras. This is my fierce dog that is our protector. She has the mean bark and she don't like strangers. And we rescued her from a high kill shelter from Texas, and they actually shipped her to us in a crate, and we picked her up from JFK. I think it was like Christmas. Yeah, it was around Christmas time 7 years ago. Right? Right. And let's go get your sister. This is Libby Little Liberty. Libby here is a very good dog. She's very clingy, and she's a little yelper, and she's always barking, and she's a pain in the ass, to be honest with you. Very needy little dog, but we love her. And it's more my wife's dog. And Justice is more mine. She's known as Jealous Justice. Any minute now, she'll probably try to bite Libby's paw because she doesn't want me holding Libby. Libby's starting to shake. Let me put a little Libby down here and give her a cookie. You want a cookie? I better give it to her up here because you know Jealous Justice will bite your ass. You want it? Okay. So that's little Libby. This is Justice, and you'll see more of Justice because I bring her up with me because she is a good rider. She sits there in the chair, she sticks her snout out the window, she enjoys the ride. Libby, no, she don't like the car. She's in the back seat, in the front seat, she's jumping through the windshield. She's a pain. Justice is not. All right, those are my dogs. Now I'll give you a little look at what my shed out back I built looks like. Now that is my shed I built. I built that a couple years ago. It's my backyard. Alright, it's my little wood shed I made. Alright, so the shed here, you can see it. It's a good sized shed. I forget the exact measurement, and it's a good sized shed. The shed cost me, I say all said and done, a little over, maybe a little over $2,000. But if you ever go to Home Depot, you can see their sheds. Their biggest shed could fit inside this shed, and it costs you about $3 grand. And that doesn't come with the roof, doesn't come with a foundation, nothing like that. Alright, so as you can see, I put up a little shelf there, and I got a little loft here. What my shed reminds me of is, if you ever, I subscribe to St. Bernard Acres, and it's a really good channel to subscribe to. And his is a little wider, I believe, but my shed reminds me of his little cabin in the woods, and it's really nice what he did there. But I could definitely see someone building something like this for a little cabin, and just to get away on the weekends, you know. So this definitely is the way to go if you're handy and you think you could do it. It's not rocket science, okay? You got Google, you got YouTube, you have books. Go get some stuff and build your own shed. This shed here, like I said, I think the full structure up, the size, the roof on, cost me about $1,400. The electrical I got for my shed was pretty easy. What I basically did at one time, right here, right there used to be an electrical box coming out of the ground, and the people that owned the house before me had a pool right here. I got rid of the pool, and all I did is I got the piping and some more BX, and I ran it in and up inside, and now I have this electrical box on the outside. I have a working security camera, wireless, and a floodlight back here now. And inside I have 2 outlets and a light, very simply wired. Here's my little light. That light costs like $10 at Lowe's. And then I turn it off. And over there, you probably can't see, that's where the power comes in. And that's how I have electricity in here. It comes in handy, especially the camera. I'll show you a clip from the camera if I have time. And those are cheap cameras too. I think that camera cost me about $40 from Amazon. This is my porch. Recently I redid the whole thing. Gave it the cabin feel, as you can see behind me. I made this. They wanted about $50 for something that looked very similar at, I don't know where it is, Vermont Country Store or somewhere. And I said I could make that, and sure enough I did. The most expensive thing is the outdoor weather clock that I had on the tree in the back, and it fell, and the housing broke, so I just popped out the housing and I made it into this. But what do you guys say for yourself? Justice, what are you doing, girl? What are you doing? What are you doing? Here she goes. Reach in. She gonna roll? No. What are you doing? What are you doing? Oh, rub my stomach. Rub my stomach. No, I don't want to rub your stomach. I don't want to rub your stomach. There she is. That's the end of this episode, folks. Thanks for watching another episode of Liberty Creek. Don't forget to hit the thumbs up and subscribe. Next video, we'll be making the walls.